हेलो गाइस, जैसा कि आपको पता ही होगा, MFine ने अपना स्किन केयर लॉन्च किया है विद द नेम DermaEssentials and they are offering various kits for various skin concerns faced by people of different age and gender. तो आज हम अनबॉक्स करेंगे our one of the most loved and most purchased kit, that is the Anti-Acne kit. So let's unbox this. This is how the kit looks like. So our first product is 1% Salicylic acid foaming cleanser, and this is very suitable for people with oily and combination skin. So the next product in the kit is 0.5% Salicylic acid gel moisturizer. It helps in reducing acne and dark spots and also exfoliates the dead skin. So the next product in the kit is Sunscreen Gel SPF 50 PA+++. It is suitable for people with oily and combination skin and protects you from UVA and UVB rays. This product is my personal favorite and the star product we have. So the last product in the kit is 1% Retinol Night Serum. It boosts collagen and elasticity and also controls oil. As a doctor, I can assure that the ingredients in the product will surely help you in treating and controlling your acne. However, you need to be a little patient and consistent when it comes to skincare. And you know what? I have got a very special offer for you guys. Use my code Gargi25 to get flat 25% off on all the products. In case you are not sure what is your skin type and what product or kit you should use, you can visit the MFine app and avail free doctor consultation with our skin experts and get the most suitable kit or product for yourself.